Welcome to Proteomic Data Commons, NCI's cloud-based proteomic data repository. Through this series of videos, we'll help you register and learn how to submit data through the PDC data portal. proteomic.datacommons.cancer.gov. If you need additional details, the instructions covered in this video are also outlined in the How to Submit Data Guide under the Submit Data tab on the portal. To get started, let's make sure you are registered and have access to a program in the PDC. First, you'll need to ensure your program is registered with the PDC. To register your program, go to the PDC homepage and click Submit Data and select Request Data Submission. Click the Submission Request Form link to download the template. Email the completed form to the PDC Help Desk, pdchehelpdesk@mail.nih.gov. Once NCI has approved the addition of your program, PDC will set up the program for you and email you a confirmation. Next, you will need a PDC account. At the PDC website, click the Login button in the top right-hand corner. You may log in with third-party login credentials you use on other sites such as Google or your institution if it participates in InCommon by selecting NIH Login. Otherwise, simply click the Sign Up link to create a new account. Fill out the registration form and follow the instructions to confirm your registration by email. Finally, you'll need to be registered as a data submitter for your program. On the PDC homepage, click Submit Data and click Register with Workspace. Start typing the program name and select your program from the drop-down list. Click Register. We'll email you to confirm we've received your request. We will email you once your program administrator has approved your membership to the program. After that, you will be able to log into the PDC and click Go to Workspace under Submit Data and access your program studies through the My Program section. Great! You're ready to submit data to PDC. In our next video, we will begin walking you through the 5 steps of submitting data to the portal. 1. Create an instrument and fill out information about the instrument used to upload raw proteomic data. 2. Create a project that is related to your specific study. 3. Add a protocol so that protocol metadata can be included in your study. 4. Create the study that will house all the information above for your work. 5. And lastly, upload your biospecimen and clinical data. For any further questions, we encourage you to reach out to the PDC Help Desk, pdchehelpdesk@mail.nih.gov. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like if you found this video helpful so that we can continue creating guides that help you master the PDC. datacommons.cancer.gov. NCI Proteomic Data Commons. Proteomic.datacommons.cancer.gov. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, National Institutes of Health, National Cancer Institute, cancer.gov, 1-800-4-CANCER.